I found these 6 absolutely insane avatar combos that literally look better than some premium fits. And bro, number 4, I'm not even joking. People thought I was wearing limiteds. So if you're broke like me, or you just refuse to give Roblox your money, this video is about to change your entire avatar game. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button because I drop Roblox tutorials, avatar hacks, and tips every single week. Shout out time! Alright, let's build some heat. Okay, so avatar number 1, I'm calling this trendy girl outfit because this fit goes crazy and it's perfect. Let's start off with this basic girl bundle. Then search for this bundle in Marketplace and equip only its head. Then go to build and decrease the size of the head. Head over to skin color and change the skin color of the head to black. Once it's done, go to Marketplace and search for Down to Earth, and buy the one that's free. Again, search for Orange Beanie, and buy this one. Equip this in Accessories. Now, click here and click Accessory Adjustment. Select the equipped one, and follow my simple adjustments here. Once done with the adjustments, equip the orange beanie. Now finally do this one last adjustment so that the beanie and the accessory blend in well. Now, unequip the bundle legs. Now avatar is looking so much better. Now let's do some clothing. I have uploaded some cool classic t-shirts in my blog post which you can upload in Roblox. Use them for free. Equip any free pant. For now I'll choose this. Yo, look at this! For literally 0 Robux, you've got this clean, mysterious vibe. This is perfect for roleplay, or just flexing in the lobby, and we're just getting started. Alright, avatar number 2. Equip this plain bundle. Search for medieval hood in the marketplace, and buy this. Equip the hood in accessory. Go to skin color and change the head color to black. Now go to classic t-shirt and equip my t-shirt. All these shirts are uploaded in my blog post. And equip any green classic shirt. After customizing with some accessories, your cool outfit will look like this. This is how it looked like in game. Enjoy 0 Robux outfit. For the third avatar, which is my personal favorite, change the color of torso, head, right leg, and right arm color to black and the others remain white. Then go to classic t-shirt and equip this. All download links provided in description. Then customize your avatar with free white items in the marketplace. I'll choose this Tommy Jeans white hat. After few small customization, this is what it looks. Cool, aesthetic, and simple. Well, many of my subscribers asked for my avatar tutorial, so here it is. Though most of the items are out of sale, I'll still show you. Equip this John Doe bundle, then equip this Bacon Classic shirt. Replace the hair with crimson shaggy hair. I bought it for 2 Robux long back, now it's around 40 Robux. Equip this yellow hat which is from Ria 2022. Equip this Luffy head which was free in 2022, now it's worth 50 Robux. This yellow glasses are from Tyverty and I don't think the game is still there. I don't even know how I got this, to be honest. This blue mask you can get by completing Spleef Challenge. Lastly, these horns I got for free by completing the Hilton event. Its resale value now is 100 Robux. And Vala BlazingBean Army. Equip this face. By the way, this is optional. Go to accessories and equip this head accessory. Don't worry if you don't have this, you can buy this for completely free in Marketplace. Now, click on Settings. Then on Hat. And select this. Click on Rotate and rotate the X-axis to the fullest. This should start looking like a messy hair. Yes! Now equip this Roblox shirt, which is free in Marketplace. And equip any black pant. Equip this classic t-shirt. You can download it from my blog post.
Okay.
Now the accessories you have and which suits you the best.
Oh my God!
To get those t-shirts into your inventory, search this page. Here, click on Dashboard. And then under Creation, go to Avatar Items. And click on Classics. Here, you can upload the t-shirt you want. You can go to my channel page and click this link in my bio. Here, right-click on the image and save it. Once done, upload your image here and click Save. And there you go. Now, let's make fake headless. Search for this in Marketplace. Now, equip this under Accessories. Change the head color to black. Don't worry about this weird face. Let's fix this. Go to Face and unequip this. Easy fix, which you almost had a pancake attack seeing that. Now adjust this hood. And there you go. Here are quick settings. I customized it a little. I know I suck at customizing, but anyways. Let's get some items now. Join this game. After you join, you will see this cutscene. You can either skip or watch it. I appreciate thy creators for doing such a great job in the storytelling. After the cutscene, come here and join their group to earn free 500 points daily. If you come here, you can see that they've these many new and super cool looking UGCs for free. You can earn points by just staying in the game, which gives you 1 point every 1 second. Or you can also earn points by hunting zombies. To do that, click on Play and join any server or create your own server. Choose your own class and start grinding. This game is easy and fun to play with friends too. These are some of the UGCs which you will get from this game. This is the best UGC game I have ever played. Join free UGC obby. This is one of the easiest UGC game, because you can earn points by watching in-game ads. You can also earn points by doing the obby. You can also earn points by away from keyboard grinding here. These are some of the many UGCs you can get from that game.
Nice.
In order to watch ads in the game, you need to buy this in Marketplace, which is free. Lastly, join this game. This game has all the free Roblox items which are out there in Marketplace. For those who are new to Roblox, they can get all the free items here. They have all the items from hairs to shoes. That too, all in one place. You can flex your inventory in front of your friends.